Hi, my name's James. I'm a Senior Technical Customer Success Manager here in EMEA, and today I'm going to step you through how to collect historic usage data from your BigIQ. First of all, we're going to log into the BigIQ GUI. We're going to go into Devices, License Manager and Reports. We're going to choose Historic Report. In Licenses, we're going to select the ones that we want and move them to the right into Selected. We're going to choose the format as JSON. We're going to choose if we want to obfuscate the data or not. This will remove IP addresses, MAC addresses, and host names. We're going to set the date range, and then we're going to click download. We're going to send the file to vesubscriptions@f5.com, and please make sure the file format is not compressed or zipped, and please make sure the file is file.json in lowercase. If it's in capitals, it will not get processed. Log into BigIQ. Click on Devices. On the left-hand side under License Management, click on Reports. Under License Reports, click on Generate. In the type, put a dot into Historical Report. Under Licenses, click on any of the licenses that you have available, and then click on the arrow to move it into Selected. In format, move from CSV to JSON. Obfuscate data, yes or no, your choice there, and then choose a usage period, start date and ending date. In the bottom right hand corner, click on download, and this will generate a JSON file that you can send in to F5. Send the file to vesubscriptions@f5.com. And if you have any questions or concerns, please do reach out to your customer success manager and they'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.